What's up, guys? I'm back in the garage working on my G35. I'm not looking at you guys because I'm just upset with my car right now, and it hates me, and I kind of hate it. Right now, we got a love-hate relationship going on. But I got Kyle and Devin here to maybe give me some ideas on why my car isn't starting up.
What's going on, guys? You guys have met me one time prior on the channel, and this is my buddy Devin.
Yeah. So, what's up, you guys can see me. So Devin has, and we said 06 GTI? 04 GTI. We're gonna take a look at that. And then Kyle has his 01 B5, right? B5. And we looked at that before, but I think we need to do an update on that because he did some stuff to it. And I think you guys are gonna like that. But right now we're gonna kick it off with my disappointment over here, the G35, and see why it's not starting. So I'm gonna start it up, I'm gonna attempt to start it up and let you guys see what's going on. And that way Kyle can also see what's going on with it. Devin was already here when I was trying to start it up, and we couldn't figure out what was going on with it. But I'm gonna let you guys see too. So I'm gonna let Kyle hold the camera, and I'm gonna hop in there and turn it over for you guys. Do it one more time. So as you see, that's my problem right now.
Wait, is it recording again?
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's my problem right now. So we're gonna see if we can figure it out. We're gonna go a little bit off camera just so we can talk pretty quick. Not gonna bore you guys with the particular. And I smell fuel. Don't you smell fuel?
Yeah, I smell it.
Yeah.
Sure.
So I'm thinking maybe we're not getting spark then. Cause that fuel smell right now is kind of strong.
Oh yeah.
So maybe it's a spark issue. So be right back.
For long and just let it do its thing and then settle.
So Kyle's checking the oil right now. We're gonna try one more time. Kyle figured out. Well, we took out the spark plug, and Kyle said, "Let's turn off the lights and see if we're getting spark." So we weren't getting any spark. Thank you, Kyle. All right. So Kyle figured out that we weren't getting any spark because we smelled fuel, so we know that we were getting fuel. All right. So there was one thing that wasn't connected. One little wire, and it was right there. See that little ground? I'm pointing at it? Yeah, okay. So I'm pointing at it. So I can't really see it well on camera. But that little ground right there wasn't connected. And Kyle connected that one. He said, so let's see if that ground will work. So I was like, all right, let's see. So we're about to see if Kyle's idea was correct. So Kyle, go hold the camera, or do you want to start it up?
Oh, either way.
Yeah, start it up.
All right.
Let's see. Since this was Kyle's idea, we spit out a little bit of oil after we turned it over, and some power steering fluid. But we have a leak in the power steering line anyway, so we'll get that later. Gotta go buy some kilo. Yeah, go ahead. Got it running. Finally. Down. One step closer. Gotta record this for the gram. Here we go. We're about to shut it down, so give me 1 second. All right, so we got it running, but we got a little bit of leaks. You can see under there, but nothing that we can't fix. You know, it's just needs some tightening and stuff. So I'm gonna go through it later. No need to bore you guys with tightening down stuff. So, but thanks to Kyle and Devin for helping me, figure it out. That one little wire, man. So
She runs.
But she runs and sounds good, loud as hell. But I don't have an exhaust or a cat or it's just straight header. Yeah, anything.
For that
So,
matter.
but it started. So
Stay tuned for more updates on that.
Definitely. And so what I have to do this week, I'm just gonna go through here and see what I need and just make a checklist of the bolts that I'm missing, so I can go to the parts place and just order the bolts for my for my radiator and for the front here. Because you see, I don't have any of these bolts to keep it on right now, and I gotta figure out a way to get this on a little bit better. What else we got here? And I gotta hook up the power steering and all the other stuff, and that won't be leaking anymore. But I do have a little hose in the back that's also leaking, so I'm gonna fix that too. But probably gonna fix that part this weekend. But I'm just gonna go through it a little more now that I got it started, and go from there and see what else I can hook up. I'll see if I make a show out of that one or a video out of that one, because I might be kind of boring. I don't know. So, I don't know. But what I do want to go see is Kyle's car and Devin's car. So we're gonna pull those around. Even though I look like a hot mess, but not like I'm just in my Walmart clothes. So, but it's not like we're going anywhere. Maybe we can go out later tonight or something. I don't know. We'll figure it out.
There's definitely might be some
you going
runs.
out?
Might be some runs tonight.
All right, we'll see. But I don't really have a camera that gets good night stuff. But maybe I can make a 60-second video. I don't know. We'll figure it out.
Go on 60 seconds, Nicolas Cage.
Go on 60 seconds. But all right, I'll be right back. You're fine. All right, so this is Devin. This is Devin's car. So Devin's gonna, just take us through like his car. He said he didn't do too much to it, but got some future plans for it. So I don't know, like, all right. So we said earlier what year it was, right? It was
2004.
2004.
Yeah.
All right, so it's 2004 GTI. But you told me earlier that you did have some stuff done to it.
Yeah, no, just basically like little things, diverter valve, catalyst downpipe, intake, Euro Custom Stage 2 tune, straight pipe all the way back for the exhaust, nothing fancy. Coils, fucking rebanded bay coils.
Yeah.
Roll forms I got for steel, I was lucky with those.
Yeah, I think right there, if you guys can see that, that's my favorite mod right there. Right there, that's my favorite mod. Already.
Sorry, I actually bought that one. I didn't even buy that. But yeah, no, she does go bang. She goes pop a little bit, but nothing too special or crazy.
Okay.
I do plan on going bigger turbo eventually. But I got to get another daily. It's my only car, so
it's
to keep me going around.
Like hardcore on your daily.
Yeah.
Yeah. But yeah, it's pretty clean. Got some rotiforms on there. I can't afford rotiforms.
Yeah, like I said, I found them on Facebook for $850 with brand new tires on them.
Yeah. So so I met Devin when I rolled out with Kyle to the Ignition Speed Festival. I keep calling it the wrong thing.
Ignition Speed Festival. Yeah.
Yeah, it's Ignition Speed Festival. Well, on my other video that I'm not sure if it's out yet or not by the time you guys see this, but I kept calling it the wrong name. I'm not even gonna say what it is because it's embarrassing. What I was calling it. But yeah, so that's when I met Devin, because I rolled out with Kyle, and Kyle's part of Era, and then so they gave me like honorary Era sticker. So now I got that on my ride. So I'm gonna be hanging out with these guys once we go to meets and stuff like that, because we don't have OGT doesn't really have our own booth or anything yet. So we're gonna be working on that though, maybe for next year, and we can maybe get some apparel and stuff like that. But we'll have our own stuff. But if Jevon and Pat sometimes have other things to do and I can't roll out with them, I'm gonna be rolling out with Era. They were like really cool. I met all those guys for the first time, and we hung out and it was cool. I had fun. So, but that's how I met Devin. And long story, kind of being long-winded, but whatever. All right, so let's talk about Kyle's car. And Kyle did a couple of new things since last time. What was it? It was about the end of, right beginning of spring when we talked about your car when we did the update, right? February?
Yeah, when we did the update, and Zane was around when his car was very, very stock. It's
Yeah.
still stock, but it looks really good. It was featured on TSW's magazine, actually.
Okay.
So, we'll actually move our way around to my car. You guys last saw it, I think, when it was bumpered or bumperless?
I can't remember. I think it was bumperless.
Yeah,
time.
you guys, I got up and you just were drooling over how aggressive it looked.
Yeah.
Even though this is kind of like a test fit kind of ordeal, I haven't cleaned it up yet. Literally did it on the fly. Doing a little bit of a weight reduction, you guys would say?
Yeah.
No, that's just to help keep IATs down, because if any of you guys are familiar with the Euro B5 S4s, then you know that these, not just B5 S4s, any Euros with complicated engines like these, they're heat soak, prone to heat soak.
Yeah.
So when I have really high 110 degree IATs, I got to do a little bit of something in order to help it, because it does not like that at all. If you guys don't remember, this was a Franken Turbo F21 car that is pretty much full stage 3. I'm just short of the 2.0 coil conversion of being full stage 3. Big front mount, 550cc injectors, 400 liter per hour Walbro fuel pump, the 85 millimeter housings, and you know, the et ceteras.
You guys like how we just rattle all that off? Like, if I had to go through all my parts of my car, I'd be like, what was it again? Some coilovers, some TNs,
I'm on solo work.
yes, I got some brakes. Kyle just rattles it off, you know?
Well, you got to know your parts if you're constantly replacing them.
Yeah. Makes sense, man.
But,
definitely makes sense.
Yeah, other than that, no, it's just pretty much in the same standing condition. I've just been trying to keep it alive, doing the minor things like this, you know, little extracurricular activities to kind of help with the IATs, help with heat soak, help with oil consumption, and so
I got
forth.
a question for you.
Hit me.
So, see how you cut this out and made your modification for this, right?
Yep.
Is it a way where you can get like a funnel to put in here so that it makes it like a little bit more
So I'll actually pop
sleek?
it and show you.
Yeah.
Like I said, not finished.
Yep.
But it's kind of what's going on already. Because the way that the housing comes out, the wiring harness goes through this little buckle. Since this is supposed to be functional, quote unquote, that's why I left the harness out. So that way I at least have just a headlight at night.
Yeah.
And that's what it's doing, is it's funneling a little bit through here, but there's other modifications that I can do to help taper it a little better, to get a better threshold out of it.
Yeah.
As of right now though, it's about 91 degrees, I'd say, here in Connecticut.
Yeah.
And
was it 91 today?
It was about 88 and 91, varying on your location. And what is it, June 19th? Yeah, today's June 19th. And this car, very heat soaked, very no power.
Yeah.
And it definitely picked up a little bit. You could definitely feel the difference. So we'll see what happens when I take a data log later.
All right. So that's all right. Pretty cool that he's doing that. So, all right. So earlier, I want you to tell them, because I know you told me, but that was off camera.
Yeah.
But so with your butt dyno, after you did that modification, how does it feel?
It's a little more responsive, because if any of you guys are familiar with this platform, yet again, this has a catch can. The catch cans that run on these systems aren't traditional like you see on most turbo vehicles. So I get a little bit of steam coming out of this filter right here that I should have changed a very long time ago, but I've been procrastinating. So when I'm idling at a light, or if I'm driving down the highway, anything along those lines, I get a lot of the steam that's going into the filter. So this has helped trying to push it away. I got to build a shield in a box and like a dump tube for this to go down into the fender liner. So the oil steam that's coming off of my catch can is also part of the reason why my IATs are through the roof. Just hoping if I get a little bit of more airflow in there, it would help the mass airflow get a better threshold, and you know, oxygen that's not contaminated with oil fumes. Just stuff to kind of help the breeze go under there. Like I said, these things are just so crammed and compact and jammed up in there that any little thing, even something as simple as that, would help. And I also had another headlight kicking around, so I didn't care. It was no good. Yeah.
Oh, man, cool stuff. Like, all right, so everybody's doing something, man. It was just cool. That's what it is. It's like about getting out there and, you know, working on your own car, which is what we're about. It doesn't have to be like super expensive. It doesn't have to be like, you know, like FD wise, like, you know, like one of mine. I don't really do too much on it right now because I'm working on my G35. That's a straight budget build. But you know, you do what you can when you can, and have fun with it. You know, just get out there and do it. Get out there, do it, be a part of the community. You know, pretty much. You
Hand
know,
out some Gapplebees.
Gapplebees are fun. You know, if you're on the giving end. not if you're on the receiving end of that. No, I mean, that Gapplebees could taste pretty sour. But
bye, Felicia.
But yeah. So
hope you guys liked today's video. As you guys saw with the G35 starting up, there's definitely going to be a lot more content coming soon. Hopefully I can make my way around, but as you know, during COVID and these times right now, the essential work industry has kind of been going pretty high. We've been all pretty busy, so with any little free time that we have, we'll be here either wrenching on our own stuff. We'll try and get most of it on film, and we'll just be pretty much just trying to grind out this summer, because even though it's still COVID hours, we're still gonna make things happen. Everything's starting to get released over here, and you know, everything's starting to kind of sort of go back to normal.
Yeah.
So
yeah, we're starting to get more events around here. Like the Initial Speed Festival. I think that was like one of the first big ones.
that was the first big one we've had since
they got Broke East coming up soon. I don't think I'm gonna make it to that one. Maybe on Jevon or
Lime Rock?
Nah, I can't because I got some family issues going on right now, so I'm not really gonna be able to make it to a lot of events right now. But hopefully Jevon or Pat will make it out there, or I don't know. We'll figure it out. You know, try to get out there. When is Lime Rock one?
That's on the 26th.
26th, yeah, I'm positive.
26 Broke's on the 27th. I'm gonna try and attend both.
Yeah, Lime Rock one's kind of far. If I go out to that one, I won't be bringing
3 hours.
I won't be bringing my like RX-7 with me or something like that, unless I put it on the trailer. Because I'm not driving that.
This summer's gonna be
3 hours,
busy.
so
There's gonna be plenty of content to go around.
So yeah, we're gonna figure it out. Give me 1 second. I gotta make sure I can get everything in the video. All right, yeah. So you guys already seen me. Fixed camera. I was just holding it up without the little video in there. Hopefully I was getting my face in there. I don't know.
May or may not have to redo this.
Yeah, you know, I hope not, but I'm about to go check that. So you guys hold on for a second. Okay, so I almost forgot to do an outro. Kyle and Devin already left. You know, we were out there talking for a while, and I was like, all right, I'm done with my video. I'm like, wait a minute, I didn't finish it. So got the car started. Going to do some more stuff. Now I just got to get, like I said before, some more bolts I can put on the radiator. Got to get a catch can. Oops, sorry. Oil catch can. What else? We're going to start working on some suspension. The diff down there, that has to be pressure washed, painted, and I have to work on the bushings, so that's going to be coming up too. Yeah, it's a lot of it's a long list, but at least, you know, little steps, baby steps. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys next time on OGT Barrage. Maybe Pat or Jevon will be next. I don't know. We can see what we have going on, and then we do a video. So see you next time. All right.
That's ISO. Rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up, I got some gas, some packs, I'm up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the gang, we taking shots off the rebound. Fucking my post the same now, I've been humble too long, yeah. Tell them all to stay calm, yeah. Tell them